Chevy's HD truck for 2026 continues to impress everybody with its mature approach to designing a perfect work truck. If you're tired of constant talk about max ratings, you'll be impressed with Chevrolet's approach, which is rather about substance than bare numbers. Capable, convenient, reliable, with a design that puts the driver in the first place, the 2026 Silverado HD once again showcases the genuine values of a heavy-duty truck. Exterior that commands attention. When you pull up to a job site or a truck stop, your vehicle makes a statement before you even step out. The Silverado HD combines bold styling with functional design that serves a real purpose. The massive grille feeds critical airflow to the cooling systems that keep your engine and transmission running cool when you're pulling a loaded trailer up a mountain pass in summer heat. That prominent design also signals to other drivers that this is a serious working machine, earning respect on the highway. The sculpted hood and pronounced fender flares create an aggressive stance that looks purposeful because it is. Those flares accommodate the larger wheels and tires required to handle the weight this truck carries, turning functional necessity into attractive design. For 2026, Chevrolet recognized that truck buyers take pride in their vehicles and want options to express their personal style. The new wheel designs let you choose finishes that match your taste, whether you prefer chrome for a classic look or darker finishes for a more modern appearance. The expanded color palette means you can finally get that specific shade you've been wanting. When you invest this much in a truck, having it look exactly the way you want matters. Bold styling catches attention, but for some owners, good looks mean nothing if the truck can't venture beyond pavement, which is exactly where the ZR2 variant proves its worth. ZR2. Off-road expert gets further upgrades. Most heavy-duty trucks stick to paved roads and established trails, but some owners need to venture where roads end. The Silverado HD ZR2 solves a problem that used to require choosing between towing capacity and off-road ability. The factory lift gives you the clearance to drive over obstacles that would scrape the underside of a standard truck. No more stopping to find another route or watching lighter vehicles pass you by on challenging terrain. The Multimatic DSSV dampers make a real difference when the going gets rough. Instead of bouncing around uncontrollably over washboard roads, these advanced shocks smooth out the ride while keeping the truck stable. When you spend hours driving across rough terrain to reach a remote job site or hunting spot, that comfort prevents the fatigue that makes you dread the drive back. The aggressive off-road tires dig into loose sand, mud, and gravel where standard tires would just spin uselessly. For 2026, Chevrolet refined the ZR2 based on real-world feedback. The updated suspension tuning means you can maintain better control at speed across rough terrain. The improved shock settings absorb bigger impacts, so hitting an unexpected rock doesn't send everything flying around the cabin. Enhanced off-road drive modes automatically adjust power delivery for different surfaces. The upgraded hill descent control holds a steady speed down steep grades without you touching the brakes, preventing that white-knuckle experience of wondering if you'll keep control. Off-road capability gets people excited, but at the end of the day, heavy-duty trucks live or die by their ability to move serious weight, which brings us to what really separates this truck from lighter-duty models. Towing and payload competence. The difference between a truck that claims it can tow and one that actually handles heavy loads comfortably shows up the first time you hook up a substantial trailer. The 2026 Silverado HD's maximum towing capacity of 36,000 pounds means you can move a loaded car hauler, a fifth-wheel RV, or heavy construction equipment without worrying whether your truck is up to the task. When a client needs a large excavator moved or you want to upgrade to a bigger camper, your truck won't be the limiting factor. Payload capacity over 7,000 pounds addresses another common frustration. How many times have you had to make multiple trips because your truck bed couldn't safely carry everything in one load? With this kind of payload rating, you can load up materials, tools, and equipment all at once, saving time and fuel. Furthermore, integrated trailer brake controllers and sway control prevent that terrifying fishtailing sensation when a gust of wind hits your trailer. Practically, the camera systems and integrated tire monitoring take the guesswork out of managing your trailer. These impressive capabilities mean nothing if the engine can't deliver reliable power day after day, which is why the powertrain choice matters more than most buyers realize. Capable and time-tested powertrain. When your truck is how you make your living, engine reliability isn't just a nice feature, it's essential. The 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine producing 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque gives you smooth, predictable power that never surprises you. There's no turbo lag to manage when merging into traffic with a trailer. The gas engine's simpler design means fewer things that can go wrong, and when service is needed, any competent mechanic can work on it. The Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel generating 470 horsepower horsepower and 975 pound-feet of torque addresses the specific challenges of heavy towing. That massive torque figure makes the difference between struggling up mountain grades at 35 miles per hour and maintaining highway speeds with confidence. When you're accelerating onto a busy interstate while towing 20,000 pounds, that low-end grunt gets you up to speed quickly and safely. The diesel's fuel efficiency when towing means fewer fuel stops on long hauls. Here's what really matters about these powertrains. They're not the newest designs chasing the highest spec sheet numbers. Instead, they're proven engines with decades of real-world use backing them up. When something does eventually need repair, your local mechanic has probably worked on dozens of these engines and knows exactly what to do. Parts are readily available and reasonably priced. The forums are full of owners reporting 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles on these engines with proper maintenance. For someone whose business depends on their truck starting every morning, that proven track record provides peace of mind that no marketing campaign can match. Reliable power gets the work done, but if you're spending 10 or 12 hours behind the wheel, the cabin environment becomes just as critical as what's under the hood. Interior, comfort, and convenience. Spending long hours in your truck shouldn't feel like punishment. The 2026 Silverado HD cabin recognizes that comfort directly affects your productivity and safety. The supportive seats with available power adjustments let you dial in that perfect position where your back doesn't start aching after a few hours. Heated and ventilated seat options mean you stay comfortable whether you're working in Minnesota winters or Texas summers. The dashboard layout prevents the fumbling that happens with poorly designed controls. Physical buttons and knobs for climate and audio let you adjust temperature without diving into touchscreen menus. When you're towing a trailer in heavy traffic, that ability to make quick adjustments by feel rather than sight could prevent an accident. The available 13.4-inch touchscreen provides a large, clear display for navigation and camera views. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration means your familiar phone interface works seamlessly. The crew cab's rear seat area provides genuine adult-sized space. When you need to bring crew members to a job site or take your family on a trip, they can actually sit back there comfortably for hours. Multiple USB ports scattered throughout mean everyone can charge their devices. Sound insulation reduces road noise and wind buffeting. The quieter cabin means you arrive at your destination less fatigued. All these features sound great, but the real question becomes how much you'll need to spend to get the configuration that matches your needs and budget. Trim levels. The work truck starts around $40,000 and focuses purely on capability and value. For fleet managers or independent contractors watching every dollar, this configuration delivers full HD capability at the lowest possible price. The custom trim in the mid-$40,000 range adds comfort features that make daily driving less of a chore. Cloth seats, power windows, and an 8-inch touchscreen bring modern connectivity without pushing into luxury territory. LT models starting in the low $50,000 range bring genuine comfort. The power adjustable driver's seat, remote start, heated seats, and leather-wrapped steering wheel add comfort touches that become necessities. Then comes the LTZ trim, starting in the upper $50,000 range, which transforms the work truck into something that feels premium. Leather seating, dual-zone climate control, and additional safety technology like blind spot monitoring prevent accidents that come from limited visibility when towing. Finally, High Country starting in the mid-$60,000 range represents the peak of Silverado HD luxury. Premium leather, genuine wood or aluminum accents, and the largest touchscreen create an interior that rivals luxury SUVs. Every available technology and convenience feature comes standard. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado HD represents exactly what heavy-duty truck buyers have been asking for. Bold exterior styling that matches the truck's serious capability, meaningful updates to the ZR2 that make it even more capable off-road, towing and payload numbers that open up opportunities lighter trucks can't touch, proven powertrains that prioritize reliability over chasing spec sheet bragging rights, and a comfortable interior that makes long days behind the wheel less punishing. From the $40,000 work truck to the $75,000 ZR2, there's a configuration for every need and budget. But the competition doesn't rest. They're bringing updates too, which is why you must check out our video about the 2026 Ram 2500. If need the ultimate mix of work capabilities and comfort, then this truck is the right choice for you. Class-leading ride quality and strong work capabilities make a perfect combo, but this HD truck also stands out with its premium cabin and some of the most capable off-road variants on the market.